Some people ask why I go sailing in little boats, and there are many answers, but one of the ones I sometimes say is because we have the best parties. The best parties, you say? Obviously you have the best parties in a big yacht with a sort of glass-fronted cabinet full of spirits and shot glasses and so on. Ah, no. Because little boat parties are absolutely the business. And one of the ones that I particularly enjoy, and I've been to a few times, is the Rendez-vous de l'Erdre, which takes place at the end of August or the beginning of September, around then, on the River Erdre, which flows south into the Loire. It arrives at Nantes, and the festival actually ends up in Nantes, where there is a huge jazz swing festival, and you sail down and join the festival on the last day. But the thing is, all the places you stop at, there are also little parties. When I say stop at, all the places you stop at in the evening and at lunchtime there is a party. The French do parties properly. And so this video is a compilation of a few of those times when I went to the Rendez-vous de l'Erdre. Start at the top of the river at a place called Nort, and we sail all the way down until we arrive at a place called Nantes, where the festival ends. So this is it, the Rendez-vous de l'Erdre.
Gotta leave yourself and nobody else. If you leave me, gotta go. If you leave me, gotta go. 'Cause I love you, I love you, I love you too much. You gotta leave yourself and nobody else. You gotta leave yourself and nobody else. If you leave
Okay, so this is my mirror dinghy Oranges. I paid £560 for her and her trailer, so she's not expensive, and she's great, and I've done some adaptations.
So that's what happens, you see. You introduce people to dinghy cruising, and then they buy their own boat, work out a way of putting a tent on it, and row away into the distance. Fortunately, there's still beer. The Rendez-vous de l'Erdre, it's not completely free like some boat festivals. You pay a little bit towards the meals, and they also, you can organise if you want to stay ashore. They've got accommodation provided, and there's ways of getting you back and forth between the different ports. So it works really well even if you don't sleep aboard. Most people don't sleep aboard. Obviously it's a bit of a weird thing to do. So I really do recommend it. It's really good sailing. There's rowing as well, as you can see, but most of the river is quite wide. It's actually a bit like the Norfolk Broads. It keeps widening into lakes and then narrowing again. And there's various chateaux on the side and so on. Yes, do it. But obviously it helps if you like. There's a dog there. Helps if you like swing music. What is all this growling about?